removing a PCIe riser assembly and adapter. Remove the node from the chassis. Remove the top cover. If there is a GPU air duct installed in the node, remove it. If the internal adapter bracket is installed in the node, disconnect all the cables from the internal adapter and then remove the internal adapter bracket from the node. Disconnect all the fan cables from the system board and then remove the fan cage from the node. Loosen the captive screw that secures the PCIe riser assembly to the node. Disconnect the PCIe riser power cable from the riser. Carefully hold the edges of the PCIe riser assembly and lift it out of the node. If necessary, disconnect all the PCIe riser cables from the system board. Remove the screw that secures the PCIe adapter to the PCIe riser. Hold the edges of the PCIe adapter and carefully pull it out of the PCIe slot.